Hello. I guess I'm British today. I just finished a sketchbook, so let's start a new one. Here's all the stickers that I sorted through from my pile that I think I want to add to my sketchbook. This is a new sketchbook. This is a sketchbook that I designed. So I designed this one to be a bunch of stickers, but I think what's nice about it is that you can still use it to put your own stickers on top of it and customize it. For context, I've also made these other sketchbooks. They're my own design as well, but again, I customized them in a way where you can add your own stickers. So I added these stickers. It's only the red ones that are mine, but I added those. And I actually think maybe today we can also decorate this one, even though it's like an oldie. It's an old one that I finished, but maybe we can decorate it. Let's decorate this one first though. Alright, so I have a bajillion stickers here, and before I start decorating, I do want to organize them into different sections. My thought process on how I organize them is I have tiny stickers, I have small ones, medium, large. So first I go by size, and then I do also have another category for sticker sheets just because they are tiny, but they all come in one sheet, and so I like having those separately. Some of you guys asked where do I get my stickers. A lot of these are actually from other artists that I met at conventions that I go to or like art markets. And then some are from traveling, just from maybe like stationery stores or gift stores. Okay, my thought process in choosing all of these stickers is that they have this nice white border, or at least like some sort of border, and it matches the sketchbook that I have here. So I think I could seamlessly, see, kind of looks like it's part of it, right? I really love this one. This one is from Cubed Tea. These ones are from Kuru. Probably this one. There are some stickers in here that are really big. I love them, but they're a little too big. Like maybe this one wouldn't work. This one is kind of big too. I think also maybe I'll focus on one side first and then we'll go from there. Okay, I was quite indecisive for this part just because placement really matters to me. The sketchbook that I designed already has like these sticker motifs on them, and so because the designs are scattered, I had to figure out how do I also want to scatter my additional stickers on top. For me, I like to have a lot of things diagonal, as you can see how I'm placing here. I don't want too many things straight on unless there's like maybe like only a few, just so it's more intentional that it feels like it's not so structured. It feels like a person didn't meticulously put it on, although that's what I'm doing. I know it sounds like ironic, but I like to make it look natural, and so I feel like a mixture of straight on stickers, a mixture of diagonal stickers, some that overlay. I feel like that has the most natural look to it. Does anyone have sticker books? I have thought about maybe organizing my stickers by getting a sticker book, but I don't know. I'm someone who also likes having them all laid out in like a box just so I can see all of them all at once versus like flipping through a sticker book. I also went back to decorate this green sketchbook that I had that I finished months ago, just because I'm starting to use more of my stationery, so I feel like this green sketchbook is kind of bare. So I'm going back to just decorate it with some additional stickers that I have, even though I'm not using this sketchbook anymore, but you know, it's for the vibes. So the other thing I want to organize is my paper goods. I have a bunch of those as well. I have like loose leaf papers, I have sticky notes, I have like little postcards and things that I don't even use anymore. So I feel like some of the piles have to be throwaway piles based on category. And I think this will just help me journal and sketchbook a bit better if I can organize it. Okay, I organized into multiple piles. So we have loose papers here. Loose papers including like these large origami papers. I have these small notepads that come with loose paper. And this is nice for if I want to take notes in my sketchbook. I can just grab a loose paper and then tape it down via washi tape. So for example, let's choose... I've been really into this one. This pad comes with like multiple different types, but I'm gonna pull this one out. Okay, I have a loose paper section. I have to figure out how to organize it in here though. Let's take these out. So I have loose paper, and then I do have a section for envelopes and paper. So these are good for if I'm sending mail and I want to send someone like lined paper and it comes with an envelope too. And a subsection of that is I have like greeting cards that I've already bought. I think I can put this behind the loose paper. But maybe I should have a little label. How does one do that? Maybe there's some kind of sticky note. Let's use this. So I'll put envelopes. Loose papers. The other section I have is sticky notes, but these are quite small, so maybe I can just leave them on my desk somewhere. Oh, and then this is solely just envelopes. And these are small, so I'll put them in the front or maybe on the side. I don't know, but I don't know if I really got rid of anything. It's more like I just organized it. Okay, in my head, this is at least more organized than what I had before. And then, yeah, the loose ones like these, including the ones that I designed, I think maybe I could just put on the side here. And then these little envelopes, maybe I can put them here. Ooh, this one's too big. Or maybe envelopes and paper can just go in the back. Okay, I don't know. I feel like it's more organized, but is it? I don't know. Okay, at least I threw away a lot of stickers, so I'm happy about that. This used to be so full. I figured for the first page, I don't have any ideas on what I want to draw, but I thought it would be fun if I did a reflection of how I felt starting the sketchbook and then maybe do a reflection at the end when I finish it, especially since I just finished a sketchbook yesterday. I have an idea of how this one felt overall when I looked through it. I am really excited to see where this one takes me and how I'll feel at the end of it. This is also an excuse to use that welcome sticker because I really wanted to use it on the cover, but it just felt like, oh, where'd it go? Okay, point proven. It just kind of felt dull and it didn't pop out on top of the sketchbook. I almost lost it because I had it here and it's kind of hidden. Maybe something like this. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's so cool. So I just peeled this and there was a backing. That's so crazy. I'm kind of sad that I don't get to see this side. Oh my gosh, what a fun little surprise though. Good job. Good job, Echo Printing. That's so cool. I'm so glad I caught that on camera because the only way I can re-experience it is looking through the clips again. Okay, let me do some reflection. I'm using my TWSBI fountain pen here with this blue ink that came with the pen when I bought it. Arbitrarily, there's no reason for me using the color blue. There's no reason for me using this sticker or this piece of paper other than I like it. The TWSBI I think was just handy and I had it right there, so I grabbed it real quick. But on top of making these types of reflections or little notes, I also like to doodle around the page just to fill it in. If you've seen my other sketchbook tours, I'm just someone who likes to fill the entire page. There's like no reasoning to it. The drawings are super random. Usually they just conform to the spacing of the page so that I can fill it out. But yeah, really there's like no meaning. If you have trouble filling up your page, just think of things that you like to draw or things that you like. So for me, that's Shiba Inus, plants, sharp things, stars, maybe even observational things. So like I'm drawing this cat that resembles the piece of paper that I'm sticking here. So yeah, it's very like free form and I'm not really thinking about anything when I doodle, which is nice. I think what's also cool about this reflection page is that I'm drawing things that are reflective of what I'm thinking about currently, but maybe when I finish this sketchbook, I won't feel the same about these things. Although, I don't know, that's maybe not likely because I'm someone who's been drawing Shiba Inus and knives for the longest time, like for years and years and years. So yeah, maybe looking back on this, I'm like, oh, actually, I still draw the same type of things. This is where I'm at. I'm excited to see how the rest of this book goes, but for now, it's time for me to take a break. I've actually been drawing all day and filming a bit all day, so I'm exhausted. Oh my god, did I miss a page? Okay, let's pretend that didn't happen. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys use more of your stationery so that you're not hoarders like me. Throw away your paper goods too, unless you're using them. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.